choosing between the Ontario Disability Support Program, ODSP, and the Canada Pension Plan, CPP, disability depends on whether the priority is financial need and health benefits, ODSP, or income replacement based on work history, CPP. CPP is a federal program that provides income replacement for contributors, while ODSP is a provincial program providing income support and benefits to low-income residents. Many Ontarians with disabilities apply for both, as ODSP can supplement low CPP payments and provide essential health benefits not covered by CPP. Ontario Disability Support Program, ODSP. Eligibility. Based on financial need and a substantial disability that is expected to last a year or more and affects your ability to care for yourself, participate in the community, or work. Key features. Provides monthly income for living expenses, shelter, food, and health benefits like prescription drugs, dental and vision care, and assistive devices. Includes options for employment support if you want to work. Is a provincial program for Ontario residents. Best for individuals in financial need who require ongoing support for living expenses and health costs, regardless of their work history. Canada Pension Plan Disability, CPPD. Eligibility. Based on having a severe and prolonged disability that prevents you from doing any type of substantially gainful work and having contributed to CPP. Key features. Provides a monthly income replacement based on your past contributions. Is a federal program, so eligibility is national. Does not provide the same level of health-related benefits as ODSP. Best for individuals who have a history of contributing to CPP and can demonstrate a severe and prolonged disability that prevents them from working. Which is right for you? Apply for both. It is recommended to apply for both if you qualify for both. If your CPP-D is low, you may be eligible for ODSP to supplement your CPP income to a level closer to what you would receive on ODSP alone. If you are not eligible for CPP-D, you may still be eligible for ODSP if you meet its financial and disability criteria. If you are eligible for both, you will receive your CPP-D payment, and ODSP can provide additional income support if your total income from CPP-D and other sources is still below ODSP's income thresholds. Your ODSP benefit will be automatically adjusted when the CPP-D amount changes. If you like our contents, hit follow, like, share, and subscribe for more informative contents like this. Or visit us at EasyTaxCanada.com. Thanks for watching.